Hey there, Shankar, everybody. Welcome back for another amazing video. Today, we're going to be talking about what's going on with the crypto market. Things are wild. There's a lot of things that are happening in the world. Trump is coming back to run for president. We have Portugal. We have Portugal being represented by Indians in the Qatar. I don't know if you guys saw those funny videos of all these Indian fans supporting Portugal and all these other countries. But anywho, while the craziness is happening, there's also a lot of craziness that's happening in the crypto world. We have FTX and the issues with FTX and its a CEO and what really caused it. So we're gonna cover all of this stuff in this video, and also what's potentially gonna be happening in the upcoming market. So without any further ado, let's get this video started. So let's talk about the first thing, which is what's going on with FTX. Why did it crash? What is it, and what did Crypto.com have to do with it? And what did other things have to do with it? And what does Sam have to do with it, the CEO of the company? So initially, 2 years ago, or even like if you look back about a few months ago, FTX was supposed to be the promoter of crypto, the actual savior of a lot of the crypto projects, and now it needs saving. What this was caused due to the huge pullback out of the current crypto market. Now, when Terra Luna crashed, a lot of people pulled up market, but also Sam's crypto investment firm with Terra Luna, and because when Terra Luna crashed, they also crashed, and because they crashed, FTX, because it's the same guy who's running both the companies, FTX tried to prevent them from falling and crashing, and FTX, saved his investment firm. Now, in doing that, obviously, people started realizing, oh, look, if this investment firm went down the drain, probably so will FTX. And so people started pulling out liquidity from the exchange, FTX exchange. And when that happened, on top of the various other things of, three arrows and the various other things that has been happening in the crypto market, it pushed a lot more towards more people pulling out of the crypto industry, and the conversation started happening in regards to just the end of crypto. Like, crypto Bitcoin was supposed to be dead about 100 times in the last 10 years. So this was just another moment when people are like, oh, is crypto dead, is Bitcoin dead? Well, the reality is it's just another hurdle that just came. And on top of this, so this is what's happening in the crypto market, in the crypto world. Now, this has been exaggerated even more due to the interest rate increases, and also the conflict with the Ukraine Russia still going on, and it's actually getting worse. And now, all this news adding on top of one another, there is a bear market sentiment increasing. So the recent crash, was because of the FTX crash with Bitcoin and pretty much the whole crypto market. But there might be another one coming, a minor one, where I can say potentially we're looking at 13 to 14K. Now, in my last video, I said this was going to happen to the current issue. Obviously, I didn't, with FTX, we didn't know FTX was going to happen, and it did happen. So I'm gonna add on top of it potentially another micro crash coming up. Now, do I think right now is a good time to buy? Yeah, I still think right now is a safe, good time to buy. Obviously, non-financial advice. Do your own research. Invest at your own risk, not on mine. So this is, when we look at charts and we see ups and downs and ups and downs, and we talk about how, oh, you want to be selling when you're closest to the peak, and you want to buy when you're closest to the trough. Right now, it's that point where it's the closest to the trough, and now it's here. It could go here, or it could bounce back from here. And most likely, it will go down, but good news can come out tomorrow, and we can start going back up. I'm potentially seeing it's gonna go down, and then it's gonna go up. But even at the current time when it's here and not here, it's still a good time to buy because you still have this big gap to potentially take advantage of. Now, on top of this, in non-financial technical analysis, just a historical trend analysis would say cyclically, a trough should be coming up in the next 50 days or 55 days or 60 days, 70 days. Anywho, another 2 months, right? That's where the lowest of the lowest point around that time will come up for Bitcoin. And then it should start going up for the next, 3 years or the next 2.5 years, about 800 to 1,000 days. So I'm gonna say, looking at the economic situation, looking at the charting, looking at the patterns, looking at what's happening in the crypto industry, and looking at the cyclical bear market, I think is still for another few months. And then after that, obviously, I'll do another analysis in about a month or two and kind of come back to you guys in regards to what I think is going to happen. But what am I doing this time is honestly just trying to making sure my investments or whatever I have my money in are strong projects that I am a strong believer in, focusing on utility. So in the long run, I do see that there's a use case for it, and it's not gonna. Even if it goes down a little bit now, it's gonna go up much higher. Another thing I would be looking for is the all-time high and the current situation. For example, Solana all-time high was very high. Right now it's at $15, $16. So you can see the difference. But Solana is a very strong, very hyper utility based project. So it might be something to look into. Non-financial advice. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys like this quick market analysis. I'll be letting you guys know about new changes, more changes on my social media. So if you follow me on TikTok, Instagram. Maybe I should make Twitter. And like, share, subscribe. As always, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Do subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam.